Hi, I'm Chef Brian O from Raw Star Cafe, a new vegan raw organic restaurant I just opened recently. And I'm going to teach you some recipes from my Raw Star recipe book. Today I'm going to show you how to make the vegan raw box cake. To make my raw organic vegan box cake, it takes 2 cups of flax seeds. These are raw organic golden flax seeds. And then you want to blend it in a high-powered blender. You can use other blenders, but this one works really great. So I'm gonna pour it in here. That's actually 1 cup, so I need a little bit more. Now you can also buy it from Flax USA. They have it already grinded, cold milled, and perfectly grinded. When they do that, it actually protects the flavor and vitamins and minerals. But you can also do it at home and just So after you've ground the flaxseed perfectly, you want to pour it into a large mixing bowl. Give it a little tap there. You want to get it all out. Then you simply mix it by hand with 2 bananas. So these recipes are really easy, fast, fun, vegan, raw and organic, saving your health and the planet. So I'm so passionate about this. It's so much fun, and I love inventing new recipes that'll help you become happy and healthy and more harmonious. And it'll add a lot more things to your life and open up a lot of success, health, and you'll be so vibrant and you'll love it. So we're mixing the flax, and you could use a fork or a spoon, and this will become the batter. Now you can use your own sweetener, but in this recipe I'm keeping it simple and easy. And as you can see, it's becoming a dough already. And I'm going to add some coconut to it and goji berries that I've soaked in water for a few minutes. So now it becomes a superfood. Now the coconut actually adds fiber and helps to keep you regular and eliminate toxins, while the soaked goji berries gives you vitamin C and it's a superfood. So now it becomes a superfood box cake. And you just blend that in with a fork. And then using your hands and the fork, you can make it into a box cake. And I just put it on the cutting board, shape it into a box. So I'm going to add some more goji berries on top and some more coconut. Now again, you could drizzle with sweetener, your favorite low glycemic sweeteners, cinnamon, cacao, or carrot powder. But for this recipe, I want to keep it simple and easy. And there you have it, in just a few minutes, a raw organic vegan box cake. I just showed you how to make my raw organic vegan box cake. You know, it's square, it's fun, delicious. I hope you really enjoyed the recipe. And it's so simple and easy to make. It only took a few minutes, right?